If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want more such videos or any specific videos, leave the details in the comment section. Status wise, you can remove it if you want. You can click the value and you can remove the status. Okay, here you can see what is the customer total count and what is the percentage which they have done. So many a times we want to create a complete effective dashboard, so that we can make it here as well. So how I'll be showing here. So first and foremost, we'll be needing multiple analysis boards which we can customize. Say for example, I have a customer order. I don't want profit here. I want to see only the orders which they have placed. I'll just select here, go to analyze pivot charts, and let me say I will choose a line graph. Click OK and I'll drag and drop. I'll just zoom out a bit so that you'll be able to see all together at one shot. So I'll place it here. I'll normally remove lines so that it shows effective manner, and I'll right click, add data labels, so you can see the order count. So going further, we'll be seeing how to add one more pie chart so that my data gives more analysis to it. So if I want, what are fields which can create a table with the order, or order has the complete like products. With respect to product, what is the sales? Just select, copy, paste again. Instead of customer name, I'll be selecting product toy name. So with respect to toy, I can select, insert, pie chart. So with respect to pie chart, I can say how much customers acquisitions or how much product it has been sold. I'll just right click, show value as column total. I'll press Control Shift and down. So all the cells has been selected. I'll put reduce the numbers, and if I select here data labels plus data labels, you can see the values, it starts showing how much is the percentage, everything. So if I don't want, I'll go for analyze field options. I'll remove the field options, and you can see the percentage of the calculations which is being done. And you want to see how much is the trend or how much is the profit which the company is making. Select all, and I'll create one more table. I'll just go analyze pivot charts. Let's say I'll be looking for a line chart. Okay, so with respect to the product category, whether it is making money or not, instead of count of orders, I'll just go, I'll select profit. So with respect to the percentage, so that is show value as grand total. So it started showing the percentage. Again, Control Shift down, so all the cells has been selected. I'll reduce the number. Let's say, let me make it as descending, Z to A. I'll close this. I'll remove the lines. So if you are any given time, if you are thinking you want to change it to a graph, so click on change chart type, go for columns. Okay, so now you can see effectively the whatever the product type, whichever is highest based on its profit, you are able to see. So whenever you want to change, click on it, change the heading name, that is product versus profit. here product versus units sold. So any given time you want to make it everything to look in the same color. Normally I choose all the 4 colors and I'll select format, or I'll normally click on it and choose it in a similar manner. Say for example, I want to click design. Say I will select all everything to black background, so that whenever I'm showing any data, it looks similar. Or I'll choose vibrant color. Sometimes I'll let me choose like a 3D dimension one, and this one let me say choose a different background, or I can keep it as black only, but I'll remove the lines so that it will look transparent in nature. I'll just click one more zoom out, so you can see all the data are being visible. So you want to add slicer, insert slicer. Here we are inserting slicers, insert slicer. So data model. So we are taking the data model, that is customer ID. So customer ID is created, that is one slicer. So here we will go report option. Let us select all the pivots are working with that slicer. So as soon as I click 3, all the slicers are getting changed. If I click slicer 5, it is getting changed. So clear all. Let me put one more slicer, insert slicer, that is the data model of toys, let's say, that is the product. Okay, so let me change the background to a bit color different one, and again reporting connection, let it be all, because one click I want all the reports to be changed. So if I select car 4, all the reports are getting changed. And even if I want a data range to be selected, insert timeline. So timeline is something like you are selecting with respect to time. So that is only the time which is there in all the 3 tables are order. I'll click OK. So here again option, reporting option, all the 4, I'll click OK. So as of now I don't want this data to be shown. I'll click here hide. So only the power pivot thing it is getting reflected here. I want it to be looked like a table, so I'll reduce this. I'll reduce this as well. Or one more easy option which I'll say is let this be the same height as the data. This also same as height as data. And this timeline you can drag and drop. You can drag it till here and let this scroll till end. And instead of months, let it be like quarters, or you can put it as months. So entire months are visible. Here also you can go to option, you can change the background how it has to look. I'll put one more zoom out, or you can reduce the size if you want. So for better clarity of visibility, I'll just put zoom 1, let this to be on each side. I'll increase the size. I hope now you will be able to see the data. I'll just scroll down. So as I click the data, you can see all the data are getting changed. I'll reduce this. The entire data you can see. I can even make it as years. So 2021 how the data was, and 2022 how the data is, and I can select the toys, so you can see the data are getting changed. and I can select options of years and all. It is, see, you can see that data are getting changed. I can clear, and it will be coming to back to the data of complete data. So this is how you create a dashboard which is effective and which you can refer it in your as a dashboard in an easy and effective manner.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detailed Excel course link is in the description.